Hey guys, my name is Adele and this is the senior class welding of 2026. Welcome to our shop. Let's take a tour. So currently right now we are working on our senior project. Every welding class, the senior class gets to work on a project that they get to leave here at the school. So right now we are currently working on some flames. The flames represent the ambition and fire they have towards welding, and that's kind of what we want to leave behind for our class of 2026 project.
Artesia High School offers the only welding program in the district, along with a complete pathway of Welding 1, 2, and 3. Welding 1 has a strong focus on shop safety, job professionalism, and career opportunities in the welding industry. Students learn to safely use power tools, such as chop saws and grinders, along with measuring devices and oxyacetylene torch cutting and welding. A major emphasis is placed on accurately reading a measuring tape down to the 16th inch scale. Students practice all power tools, cutting, and welding processes through 2 personalized projects. Welding 1 is articulated with Cerritos College, meaning students who pass the course with a grade of C or higher earn college credit for Weld 60, a required safety course in the college welding program. In Welding 2, students begin with a brief review of Welding 1 and then learn a cutting process called plasma arc cutting, which is applied to a personalized project. Any projects completed in the pathway may be taken home by students. Students then learn the gas metal arc welding process, which includes extensive practice followed by another personalized project. Next, students learn the shielded metal arc welding process with focused practice and another personalized project to close out the school year. Welding 2 also introduces a variety of pneumatic tools powered by compressed airs. This course is primarily hands-on, with most instructional time spent working in the shop. Welding 3 builds on the skills learned in Welding 1 and Welding 2 with advanced shielded metal arc welding techniques, individualized senior cutting and welding projects, and group senior projects. During the second semester, students learn gas tungsten arc welding, a precision welding process focusing on aluminum. Welding 3 is now partnered with the local 105 union, the Sheet Metal Workers. This partnership is developing a pathway that will soon offer a pre-apprenticeship opportunity after high school, along with industry-recognized certifications that can be used within the union. Our instructor, Mr. Brand, also offers a Cerritos College dual enrollment zero-period class called Welding 100. During the summer, the program offers an extensive 6-week experience partnered with Harbor Freight. This program runs 5 days a week for 8-hour days, allowing students to work toward 2 welding certifications while earning minimum wage. Overall, this is a fun, engaging, and hands-on program that keeps students active and learning throughout the entire period. Anyone interested is welcome to stop by for a quick tour. You will not regret it.